As you probably know, or you don't know yet, I'm mostly painting portraits, realistic portraits, and this time I got a very interesting commission to paint fairies. So I'm really excited about how it's gonna look at the end, but now I'm collecting research. I mostly paint from pictures. I'm not so skilled in painting just from my head, so I'm collecting those pictures from Pinterest, like forests, beautiful gardens, dresses, beautiful girls, and there are gonna be two fairies in the front, one sitting on a leaf, one hovering behind that one, and 5 in the background. Yeah, so I'm really excited about it. Now all those photos that I downloaded I will put to Procreate and pick just the ones that I'm going to use, cut them, like the postures and the elements that I like, and put them into one project. And from that project I'm going to paint later. So this is how it looks right now, but without the fairies yet. Makeup is visible. It's another day because yesterday I was doing it already. I finished the project after dark, so I couldn't record anymore, and so we are continuing today. Because now in Czech Republic darkness comes around 4, so it sucks, and I have to make one video in 3-4 days. I will show you how I am transferring my project onto the paper, watercolor paper, and yeah, let's do it. So guys, I'm just gonna show you what kind of app I'm using for transferring my project or photos from pictures to the paper, and it's called DaVinci Eye app. Oh, here. I just want to show you from the beginning. You have to click draw, pick a photo that you want to draw. I don't have the AR mode yet because it's iPhone 7 and it doesn't have it yet. I think the newer models like iPhone 13 or 12 or 11, I think they already have it. Well, mine doesn't, so I'm using the classic mode. And here is the photo. It looks like a projector, so you can just follow with pencil or anything the shapes that you want to draw, and that's it. It's super easy. So I'm going to attach it on this holder and just make the sketch. So the sketch is finished, and now we can move on to the painting. I will do it just like a time lapse because it's not going to be a tutorial. It would be too complicated and I don't have time for this. No, I will do different tutorials like flower and like part by part tutorials, not like the whole painting and 7 fairies. So yeah, so we'll move on to the painting. I'm sorry this video is so dark, but just look at this. Can you see it now? How beautiful it is outside! Yay! awful. It's awful, and it's so hard to make a video with good lighting inside.